Here I am in my little old place here. Hey, lady, if you don't mind, how about closing the door? Sometimes a man's got to do what a man's got to do. All right? Okay. Yeah, as soon as I get through reading in this here Sears and Roebuck catalog, it'll be fine. Howdy, son. How about closing the door? I'm in here. That's right. It's kind of a private office for myself. Yeah, I won't be out for just a minute. Want to get all my business done, if you know what I mean. Just about read this whole Sears and Roebuck catalog, what was already in here. But you're next on the line, so I'll be out in just a few minutes. Okay? Yep, by God, I'm here in my nice little place here. Looks like a little office. You got 3 seats, that's it. 3 seats, got a big one. Yeah, a middle-sized one. Yeah, just a small size. But I'm here using this big one here. By the time I get in here, all the people want to get in here too. I'll be done in just a minute. Just hang on to your clothes. Just keep everything up, okay? Hey, lady,
How about
if you don't mind, how about leaving that dang door shut? That's right, I'm in here doing a little job.